Can it be added to be fixable, right? And now let's review Midjourney. We just created all this image in just 2 minutes. If you provide the right prompts, you can create this or even this or that. Previously, the use of the application was completely free, but unfortunately, now the monthly subscription costs a minimum of $8. An average package is $24 and the premium package is $48 per month. However, with the minimum package, you can do really cool things if you take a hint from this video. And it means you can create beautiful works of art on your own. So the very first and easier way to use Midjourney is to turn to Discord. If you don't have Discord yet, I recommend to register by following link you'll find below. To do this, go to discord.com and simply download the application. Once you fill out the form of the screen, you'll have a Discord account and you can start using Midjourney. The first step is to join the Midjourney server. You can do this by using the link discord.gg/midjourney. You'll also find the link below the description of the video. Accept the invitation, pay the monthly fee for the simplest traffic. And the next step is to enter the newest branch called Newbies. It doesn't matter which branch you choose. Enter any branch type, / followed by imagine. Then you need to enter the keywords of what you would like to generate. For example, I want to generate a sticker of a cute T-Rex in 3D vector art. And here, enter all the prompts you want to see on your screen. By the way, it's one of the ways you can use it for your businesses. We can come up with stickers, create a logo, and so on. Everything we need for our company or personal brand. Here are a few types of improve your result. Here we can choose the aspect ratio. I type R11 to get a square image, but you can also use 2:3 or 3:2 format to get a vertical image. Press N and wait for the generation of my dragon sticker. Here we can see the progress in %. Voila, it's done! Take a look at these high-quality stickers. Now we have several options: U1, U2, U3, U4, V1, V2, V3 and V4. U stands for upscale. If we like one of these images, we simply click on the options that we prefer, first, second, third or fourth, and it will provide us with a super high quality version of it. V means that I like this version and create 4 more variants of this specific version. For example, I like the third variation of the friendly sticker and click on V3 to create 4 more variations of it. I would like to make a few more variations of the same dragon. Essentially, not much change here, except for more details. For instance, there are different horns, tails, and slight change in facial expression. If we are not satisfied with the 4 variants, we can use these 2 rows to create 4 new variations based on the different dragons following the same principle. Indeed, of the second attempt, Midjourney generates completely different dragon, even in the different orientations. Next, I select the variation that I like, click on Upscale, and it will send me the image in the high resolution. Here's a cool life hack. If you respond to this message with the mail envelope reaction, you will receive the image in super high quality in your private messages. Recreate this image in just 2 minutes, and now you know how to do it yourself using prompts, heights, and some life hack from this video. Leave comment if you're interested in exploring this topic in future.